Hey Fano, so we're back here with the final reveal of the boil up that I've made tonight. Yeah, got a few Doughboys, big fatties in there, some nice meaty pork bones, and some silver beet. Gotta put plenty of salt and pepper on that. Oh yeah, make sure there's enough. There's a Doughboy. Delicious. Yum. Nicely cooked. Bit of meat off the pork bones. Look at that fat piece. Ooh, look at that. You know what I reckon? My boil up's way better. Nah, thanks Fano. Thanks for following. Much love. Stay positive. Let's go.